Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this wonderful piece of equipment from GASPOWOR that it is an attachment for a propane so that you can use it as a nice lighter that can provide a wonderful flame. Looks like up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's unbox this so that I can show you the quality of this product. If you come in here, this has been packaged extremely well. It's in solid foam casing, which is great. It does come with an instruction guide on how to use it, but that's why you're kind of here. It does have the product itself here. It's built, feels very well, very solid. This is a nice piece of equipment. It's got some stainless steel tip and stainless steel shaft. We've also got some good solid brass work in here. This even is metal in here. So everything seems to be built extremely well. There's your propane inlet, what's going to attach on there. And the adjustable nozzle up top feels very good, very easy to operate. So let's go ahead and get this thing put together and see how it works. Now this can be used on any standard size, propane to go with propane torch. This is a Coleman one from a Coleman stove, but any standard one should work fine. And then you're going to turn this on up here, push the trigger. That is a blue flame. That is a bright flame. That is a hot, bright flame that will torch some stuff up with no doubt. That is way better than I was expecting, I will be honest. That is a lot more power. You can adjust it while it's running using the nozzle to throttle it back. Sounds like a jet engine turning off. Looks like it'll work upside down, sideways, any typical direction. Very impressive. I do like it a lot. I'm going to be using this myself. I'm very happy with this product.